About to do the isolation test. So cables are connected. The one on the right is visually damaged. So starting test. It says preparing for measure. It's going to run an electrode test. Keep going. Let it keep going.
Spectaculous.
Mm-hmm. We knew that was going to happen because it failed the visual test before we even ran the isolation test. Okay, so here you can see 3 pins are failing. Are they all on the same cable?
Normally it's cable 2.
Okay.
It's 2 or 1.
Yeah.
It's 2 or 1.
I don't know.
It's here. It's this cable. It means it's 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
So cable 2 passes. Go up. Yeah. Cable 2 is perfect. Cable 1 has 3.
I want to start just
Okay.
here. You can see here.
Fail. That's probably where we heard the shock in there. Yeah. Okay. So there's 3 pins here.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna have to replace the connector on this cable.
Yeah.
Probably.
There's nothing else to do. It's just to replace it.